Hello students, welcome to my channel English All New Academy. This video deals with a poem from Standard 12. The poem is Keeping Quiet. Before we begin the poem, I request you to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. This poem is divided into two parts. Part 1 deals with detailed explanation of the poem and its summary. Part 2 is about figures of speech and poetic devices. I request you to watch both the videos to get a complete understanding of the poem. Let us try to understand the theme of the poem. The poem is Keeping Quiet. It is written by a great poet, Pablo Neruda. The poet in this poem has stressed the importance of keeping quiet, that is, keeping silence. Why is silence needed? Let us try to understand. Silence is needed so that we can introspect ourselves. What is introspection? Introspection means self observation, self examination. Introspection is helpful in gaining insight into one's feelings and behavior and also actions so that we can analyze the actions and the consequences. In the world, a lot of destruction has been caused by human beings. So, there is a need to introspect ourselves so that we can save both humanity and the Mother Earth. इंट्रोस्पेक्शन मीन्स सेल्फ ऑब्जर्वेशन हमें अपने आप को एनालाइज करना है अपने फीलिंग्स और बिहेवियर को अपने एक्शंस और एक्टिविटीज के बारे में सोचना है एंड इट विल बी हेल्पफुल in gaining realization about the fact that the activities which are harmful to the earth, we should stop those activities. We should avoid getting engaged in any such activity which proves to be destructive. इसीलिए इंट्रोस्पेक्शन ज़रूरी है ताकि हम पता कर सकें कि कौन सी हमारी ऐसी एक्टिविटीज हैं जिससे कि अपनी अर्थ को और मैनकाइंड को नुकसान हो रहा है. He also talks about brotherhood. In the poem, the poet has mentioned about wars which are very destructive and they bring bloodshed because so many humans are killed. Now here we need to understand that we need to develop the feeling of brotherhood so that all the human beings they treat each other equally and we should be able to understand that by killing our fellow beings it is not going to be meaningful because in a way we destroy humanity. So the poet says that there is a need to develop the feeling of brotherhood so that we can live peacefully and harmoniously on the earth. Hope you have understood the theme. So let us begin stanza wise explanation. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still for once on the face of the earth. Let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. Here we can see that these two lines are very significant because they constitute the theme of the poem. Here the word 12 doesn't only mean to count from 1 to 12 but it is of great significance. This word has been used here in the context of time to represent 12 hours of a day or we can say 12 months of an year. Here we can see that the poet has stressed the importance of keeping silence. The poet wants to convey that we should keep silent as long as we can. And on the earth, we should not speak in any language. Language is also very significant here because language is considered to be one of the factors which is responsible for creating differences among human beings. Humans start discriminating each other on the basis of different languages spoken by them. So, we should avoid using any language means we should be silent. We should not move our arms also. Why? Because here the poet wants to convey that along with keeping silent, we also should not be engaged in any kind of activity. We should not do any kind of work. When there is complete silence, then and then only we can go for introspection. Introspection is needed because it is helpful to understand about the activities which are harmful. It is helpful to understand that which are the root causes of the destruction of mankind and humanity. इंट्रोस्पेक्शन इसीलिए हमें ज़रूरी है क्योंकि इससे हमें सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन होगा कि हमारी कौन कौन सी एक्टिविटीज़ ऐसी हैं जिनकी वजह से द अर्थ एंड ह्यूमैनिटी इज इन डेंजर एंड वी कैन अवॉइड दोज एक्टिविटीज़। इसीलिए पोइट कह रहे हैं कि हमें एकदम से साइलेंट हो जाना है, हमें कुछ काम भी नहीं करना है सो दैट वी कैन स्टार्ट इंट्रोस्पेक्शन। It would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Here we can see that the phrase exotic moment is very important because there will be silence all around. इतना साइलेंस हमने कभी ऑब्जर्व नहीं किया होगा इसीलिए उसे exotic कहा गया है। exotic means unusual एंड एक्साइटिंग। वो अनयूजुअल है क्योंकि इससे पहले हमने ऐसा साइलेंस ऑब्जर्व नहीं किया है और एक्साइटिंग भी होगा बिकॉज वी कैन सी द नेचर ऑल्सो इज एट पीस एज वेल एज द ह्यूमन बींग्स ऑल्सो आर साइलेंट एंड they are introspecting themselves. There would be no rush means no one would be in hurry to accomplish any task. कोई जल्दबाजी में नहीं होगा क्योंकि पोइट ने हमें बताया है कि there should be no activity without engines. Here engines it signifies the working of machines which shows some kind of activity that is going on. तो यहाँ पर कोई activity नहीं हो रही है। In such situation, we can introspect ourselves and silence and introspection also would be helpful in bringing all the humans together because through self-realization we would be able to understand that we are fellow beings and we have to have concern for each other. We have to think about each other. Here sudden strangeness means the strangeness is unusual. Then the poet talks about fishermen. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. Here again we can see that through fishermen and whales, the poet has tried to stress the importance of silence and introspection. When the fishermen would be silent, they would not be going to catch the fish, they would not be catching the whales and killing them. We can see that nature also would be at peace, and we can in this way bring harmony between nature and humans. It also throws light on the destructive activities of the human beings, how we are involved in destroying nature. Then here there is the mention of a man gathering salt. Here again it is signifying that we human beings are so engaged in our activities, we are so engrossed in accomplishing the task that we do not have time even for ourselves. That is, even we do not think about ourselves. In silence, the man who gathers salt and because of continuous gathering his hands are hurt would also get time to heal his hurt hands. So The importance of silence is again stressed, and also the importance of introspection. यहाँ पर पोएट कह रहे हैं कि हम अगर इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करेंगे तो हम नेचर को भी हार्म नहीं करेंगे, और अगर हम साइलेंट हैं, हम इंट्रोस्पेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो हम अपनी एक्टिविटीज के बारे में भी सोचेंगे और हम बुरे रास्ते छोड़ देंगे। यहाँ पर द डिस्ट्रक्टिव एक्टिविटीज या बुरे रास्ते मीन्स causing harm to nature and mankind. Those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade doing nothing. Here, the word green is very important because it has been associated with war. It means deforestation and pollution, which is created by human beings. Here, poet has stressed the fact that we human beings are responsible for destruction of nature. It is our malicious desires that we do not think about nature, we do not think about humanity. He also has talked about war with gas and wars with fire. It shows that through chemical factories and industrial waste, toxic gases are polluting environment, which is again the root cause of destruction of nature and humanity. So here he has talked about how we human beings are involved in destroying nature, and this kind of realization would come with introspection. Here he talks about the battlefield, Yuddh, because the word victory is associated with the war. He says that such a victory is of no use, is not meaningful because many people are killed. That's why no survivors is used here to show that so many people are killed. The poet wants to highlight the importance of introspection. The poet here says that with introspection, such people who are engaged in such destructive, violent activities would be able to realize about its harm and the destruction caused to the nature and humanity, and they would put on clean clothes. Here, clean clothes means it is not to be taken in the literal sense, but it is associated with the cleansing of all the ill feelings for other humans. The people who are involved in violent activities like wars will be able to understand that it is meaningless to hate our fellow beings because we all are brothers, means we need to develop the feeling of brotherhood. And by introspection, they also will be able to understand that we should not have any kind of ill feelings like hatred and enmity for others, because ultimately we would destroy humanity by having such feelings for our fellow beings who are like our brothers. यहाँ पर पोएट समझा रहे हैं कि जो लोग वायलेंट एक्टिविटीज में इन्वॉल्व हैं, इंट्रोस्पेक्शन के थ्रू उन्हें ये रियलाइज होगा कि ये सारी एक्टिविटीज बहुत ही हार्म कर रही है नेचर को, मदर अर्थ को और ह्यूमन बींग्स को, इसीलिए वो अपने मन से ये सारी बुरी भावनाएं हटा देंगे। कैसी बुरी भावनाएं? तो दूसरों के लिए नफरत की भावना, दुश्मनी की भावना, जिसकी वजह से वॉर होती है, जिसकी वजह से युद्ध होता है, और वो क्लीन क्लोथ्स पहन लेंगे, मतलब कि उनका मन एकदम से साफ हो जाएगा। दे वुड शेड ऑफ ऑल द इल फीलिंग्स एंड दे वुड come out with the new attitude for their fellow beings, that is of love and affection, which would be helpful in developing the feeling of brotherhood. And they would walk in the shade doing nothing, means they would not harm anybody, and there would be harmony and peace. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Here he says that the poet doesn't want us to be confused with the word total inactivity, and he says that this word should not be associated with silence because inactivity means lifelessness or death, and silence doesn't mean death. साइलेंस मतलब इनएक्टिविटी या डेथ नहीं है, इसीलिए हमें कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. साइलेंस मीन्स लाइफ. लाइफ इज what it is about. Silence means it is for saving the lives of the human beings on the earth. It is about saving the mother earth, and that's why silence should not be confused with death. This phrase is also very important to be understood. Life is what it is about. I want no drug with death. It means silence should not be associated with death because silence is helpful in introspection, and with introspection we would be able to avoid the destructive activities, and we would be working in the direction of saving mankind. So it is associated with life. If we were not so single minded about keeping our lives moving and for once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness of never understanding ourselves with death. This phrase is again very important to be understood because here the poet says that if we were not so selfish, if we were not so self-centered about keeping our lives moving, means अगर हम self-centered नहीं होते और अगर हम सिर्फ materialistic things के पीछे नहीं भागते तो हमें introspection के लिए time मिलेगा. Now here he says that we should not be self-centered and we should not just run after accomplishing our goals without thinking about other human beings. We should introspect, we should have silence so that we can think about how to save mankind. And here he says that silence might interrupt this sadness of never understanding ourselves with death. It means that with silence, we can remove sadness, we can remove miseries from the earth and also from our own lives. Because through silence, we'll move towards introspection, and through introspection, we would be able to understand how we can contribute in maintaining peace and harmony and in saving the Mother Earth as well as mankind. Perhaps the earth can teach us as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. Here, the poet says that we can learn from earth when everything seems dead. It is very significant because it stresses the importance of silence. Here, we can take example of the seeds. We all know that the seeds lie under the soil without any kind of movement. There is silence all around, and when it rains, the seeds come to life. They start germinating and they become huge trees which provide shade to all the creatures of the earth. It means we should not think that silence means dead or death because it proves to be alive. So I think you have clearly understood with the example of seeds. आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा कि किस तरह से रेनफॉल के साथ ही सीड्स जर्मिनेट होते हैं जो रेन के आने से पहले सॉइल के नीचे देवर लाइन without any kind of movement and they come to life. So we also, with silence and with introspection, we can also move towards life. Now I'll count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. Again here he has said that he will count to 12 and then he'll go away, means he has made us understand the importance of silence, and self realization through introspection. So, I hope that you have understood the poem and also its theme. Now, let's have a look at the summary. In summary, uh, I have highlighted some of the important facts. That is, the poet makes an appeal to the people to keep silence in order to save both humanity and the earth. He also mentions about the fisherman and the man who gathers salt to enable us to understand the importance of introspection. The poet has also tried to explain through wars how wars are responsible for bloodshed and destruction. So, there is a need for introspection so that such violent activities can be avoided. Then he also tells us that we should not get confused between inactivity and silence because silence should not be associated with death. Inactivity means lifelessness. Silence is associated with life, and the poet here gives us the example of the Mother Earth, which I have tried to explain with the example of the seeds. The whole theme revolves around the theme of introspection and silence. I request you to watch the video of part 2 of the poem for figures of speech and poetic devices. If you haven't subscribed my channel, I request you to subscribe it and also press the bell icon. If you like the video, please like it and also share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video.